Mommy, to all your stuff, I'm so happy, and I don't know, but I feel this joy of me coming here in the first place, and I just want to say thank you so much, for honoring this, because like people might have a little, ideas about why Chatawale is not, with Chatterhouse and stuff like that, but
I think this has dispelled.
What?
This meeting has dispelled.
Yeah.
And the collaboration that we had so far
yes,
has dispelled that.
And that is the love, that brought me here, because I feel sometimes when we need help and we need the help from where, we're supposed to get that help, we need to go to the right people, So thanks to Momo, when I told them, I really wanted this, they were like, the only people that can pull up, with a stage that I wanted was Chatterhouse. And I was like, yes, I also need Chatterhouse on board because it's my birthday, and if I want to celebrate, I don't want to only celebrate with, people just around me, but people who have impacted or been part of my journey, and apart from the hula balloons and things that I'm doing, I believe
it's part of the industry drama.
It's
part of the industry drama.
Yes,
so without that, the industry is
that's true. So it's an education, at least. I want people to know that apart from everything, we know the right people to go to when the need arises. So I felt this is a great opportunity to come and say thank you, to you guys for really supporting this for me, because my birthday has always been on my heart, and I've always wanted to organize something like this for the fans, and for you people to come on board, really put all your, powers to support this thing. I just was so happy about it, and I told my team we should, after going to Momo, we should come to you and come and say a big thank you, because you've been of great help to this industry, and you've really motivated some of us to get to where we've gotten to in life. So I just said we should come and say God bless you for accepting us, and although I spoke to George Gray, I told him that we have to try also start supporting Ghana Music Awards, but Jackson, because that is what is on my heart. I'm family. I feel I'm part of this organization, and so anything I can also do to also help as an artist that you guys have bloomed. I think it will be a good picture out there for all of us. So once again, I just want to say thank you, and I brought my brother here to also say thank you, because when I